All right. Well, Jeremy broke his truck again. We know at like 11 o'clock this morning that it just shut off while he was driving. So I'm grabbing some tools, some tires to put on my truck, and then we're headed out to Dan's again to hopefully fix the plow truck. So.
It was leaking, if it was leaking that bad, it would smell it. Unless it's bone dry. I want to see, you got a check engine light and all that shit.
Check engine light came on when it happened. To see if I could keep it warm.
Oh, okay, so well, that's
Try to open it.
there's a lock busted. Oh no, you got different.
She realized she has 0 lights on, like not a single one.
Not good.
Hey, what are you?
Just gotta get in.
What are you breaking in? Hey, you know, I know a guy that's got 2 brand new doors for this.
How you open it?
Hey, listen back there, do you hear it turn on?
Push that door buzzer in. I can't hear shit over that. Could you have parked at a noisier spot?
Could have been the turn lane. Hold on.
You're good, go ahead. Yep. Yeah, it's primed. Pump's good. It shut off quick too, which means there's still pressure in the rail.
Let me hear it. I'll crank it. I'll crank
It wants to.
Does the hood release this now or
Come on, let's be real.
Come on now.
Let's be real.
So don't pull it.
You can, it won't do shit.
Great there. I don't know if you want to dick with it, but just squirt
No.
it out.
No, don't even need to.
I want to see this coil. That's your problem right there. That's it. Yep. You need a coil pigtail. Did I call it or what?
You called it.
Did I call it or what?
The coil's
you need a
still
coil
good.
pigtail.
No, no,
I
you
got
just,
wire, but I don't have connectors to solder it, so.
we can probably just jam that in there.
No, that ain't gonna get in there.
No,
The
look how
terminals are
corroded it
busted
is.
off that. Watch.
Lick
Hang
it.
on, let me, hang on. Let me get up in here.
Just bad connections. They're in there.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's a plug.
So can I get the new plug? Or do I have to go to US Auto tomorrow?
This is a little smaller. You want to try that? And probably not hurt yourself.
Or I should just get a whole new plastic piece too, then, right? Or it plugs
Yeah,
into
you
it.
get the whole pigtail. Yep.
Can I
I was
get
gonna
that
say,
from
I'm-
O'Reilly's? Or
Should be able to. They might not have it in stock though. That's the
go to
only
US
thing.
Auto and grab one?
Yeah, they're still
For
open.
$3.
You might need a coil though. We got to see what the terminals look like on the coil. That's why we got to get this off. Because if the blades on the coil were plugged in are all corroded and we can just wiggle them right off too, it's no fucking good. You might as well just get the coil. You know what I mean?
Right, whole 9 yards.
Yeah. You get it?
No.
What? Come on now.
There's no. Usually with that, I'll pull the thing up and pull the wires out, but there's no wires to pull because someone decided to let it rot.
Pull the plastic housing.
It goes in there. You can't grab the top.
No. The housing's gonna come off that.
It goes in.
Oh, I see. I got you. Okay. Now that I look at it. Okay, I see. I see.
I'm like, what are you saying?
I got needle nose pliers in the truck if you want me to grab them.
Hold
you can
on.
just grab that plastic and pull.
You're replacing the plug-in, right?
Yeah, he needs it.
break
Well,
that
don't break the tab
I
off
don't
in
know
case
what
I
I
gotta
need,
fix
though.
the plug-in.
Right.
Yeah, so don't break the tab off on the plastic.
That would probably be smarter. I'll sit down with myself.
And every time you help out, you bleed it. Every time. You're
I gotta
bleeding.
feel something. If I bleed doing my job, I'm a real fuck up.
Damn, that bitch is in there.
Yeah.
Dude, it's never been.
Got some PB Blaster in the truck. Dude, that thing is. Oh,
You
you
snapped it, too.
bastard! Yep, it just broke. God damn it.
So you think you don't get that whole clip though?
You
the
might
whole
be-
assembly?
yeah, you can get the when you get a pigtail, it comes with the plastic assembly. Again, honestly, the way this is coming off, you're gonna need a fucking coil too. Because I'm thinking the blades inside are gonna be no fucking good. Yeah, they're gonna be so corroded.
Coils
they're
are
gonna be
cheap. I'm
flimsy.
just saying,
Yeah, it's gonna be
50,
like 50 bucks or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
I would call, see if they got a coil and a pigtail.
Fucking go up.
Why the fuck does no one drive with headlights on?
sitting out front with it.
There's a car coming.
Flashlight.
Stupid people. Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking, it's like better than tits.
I don't know if it's better than tits, but it's nice.
kidding. I don't want this fucker to come off. Plus, the wire is the
Oh, that's a small
connectors.
gauge wire.
Right.
Oh,
yeah, it's a
it is
little
on the
bit
other one.
smaller
Whatever.
than the. Yeah, it's this gauge on the truck, but this connector's for a little bit bigger gauge, so I don't want the fucking shit to come out.
Have some Harbor Freight shrink wrap on. You'll be right.
I'm gonna.
5 years just be like, what asshole put this on there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
You're implying he's still gonna talk to you in 5 years.
Hopefully.
Like, I'm so sick of this fucking Ford. God damn it.
You might own it in 5 years.
Yeah, no shit. And I'm shaking.
Well, you didn't put that one on upside down at least. He's like looking at it. What do you? I didn't want to say nothing. I was like, he'll figure it out. He ain't stupid. Yeah. He's like looking at like, what the fuck are you talking about? There's fucking nothing to hook this bitch on. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, son of a bitch. It's fucking hilarious.
Such expertise.
How does this thing come off?
You gotta screw it. There's 4 screws that need to come off.
These?
Yep.
No.
Yes.
Hope not.
Oh.
That's how.
No way. The fucking magic touch, Dan.
Ah, it broke. Oh no! Yep, it broke.
That's an expensive hammer, Dan.
I don't give a shit. It's a lifetime warranty.
I'll tell your Snap-on guy. I'm pretty good at that, Dan.
A lot of practice.
I think he gets paid to do this. I can't believe it.
You get paid to do this?
No.
Does he put on there? Go for
I hold that. That one
Don't
didn't
give it
break.
to me.
That's why I
That
didn't.
one didn't break.
Hell yeah, see? This just comes out like that?
Keep that as a spare.
Yeah, if you can get the connector out, it's probably still good, honestly.
I'd be willing to bet the one on the left is the one on the left.
Yeah, yeah, but I want to make sure that they didn't like change
Yep.
it and do backward.
And place bets on there actually being copper in those wire sheets.
That's where I was cutting down a little bit. Yeah, there is.
Wow.
Yeah, turn it all the way on. Don't crank it, but turn it all.
Is it hard?
Bit. Yeah, I'd rather have too much than not
I
enough.
thought you were saying cut it too short.
No, I
That's
cut
what I
it
was
too
asking.
long.
Is it gonna work?
No, it's gonna work.
Give Jeremy more than 2 pockets and he's bound to lose something.
They're not magnetic.
I am not
Nope.
magnetic.
They don't fit my Harbor Freight trays. You know?
Oh, well, I just mean the 4 or 5 years I've been there, you know?
That you learned something?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I learned something and it worked.
You learned something. I remember not doing it.
Yeah.